Alright, what's up, y'all? Sorry I didn't have a video last week. Working a lot. It's gonna be like that sometimes. There's nothing I can really do. It's just what I gotta do to make these videos. Hope y'all forgive me. Anyway, what we're gonna be doing today is we're taking this whole front end out. Catch 'em all. K-member, all that stuff. Now what I'm going to do with these springs, a lot of y'all and a lot of people are not going to agree with, but it's just how I'm going to do it. It's how I've done it before. I ain't saying shit ain't going to go wrong. If it does, it is what it is. But I've done it like this a lot. So let's get started. We're gonna see what we get done. All I may get done is pulling this out on here, which is probably all that's gonna get done, because it's just a little bit. And anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the wheels off, which I've done loosened. I think all we're going to do is get this front end pulled. And I've been sick. I don't know if y'all know what conjunctivitis is, but it's basically an infection of the eye. I had that because of my sinuses drained into my tear ducts. And now I'm dealing with, I had an ear infection yesterday. I have not missed any work. I do not miss work. Luckily nobody made me go home because I was already medicating. And sanitizing and things like that. So nobody made me go home, thank goodness. My boss gave me some amoxicillin for ear, and it's working, but I can barely hear out my left one because of the fluid. Alright guys, bathroom break. Alright guys, we're back. So to save a lot of time, I went ahead and pulled the bolts out of the lower control arms because they just took me about 30 minutes to get out because, well, they're so damn rusted. This is what I was talking about y'all ain't going to agree with. I don't know if it's going to work. Maybe it will. But don't look like it's going to. So I may just have to zap it from the top right quick. Let it fall that way. Ain't no biggie. I don't know if it's gonna go down far enough. I was trying not to. We'll see. Well, that's one side. Let's hope this one goes just as smooth. Like I said, I'm no happy y'all ain't gonna agree with it, but voila. Okay. And that's that. Alright guys, well, that's going to be it for this video. It's extremely hot. I've been working on something else today. I told you I was going to show you on the last video. I hadn't. It's almost done. I hadn't filmed any of it. Just, it is what it is, because I got so much other shit and I didn't really think y'all care too much about it. But I will show you once it's completely done. But I will show you while we done this. This is why. This is going in here. Obviously, it's a tubular K. Now, what you don't know is for what. Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all have a good one. Do Mustangs.